hydration. It's super hot today in Barcelona, so I'm gonna make a refreshing acai bowl. I always get the acai from Amazonia because this is the best one. It's organic, it's healthy, and it doesn't have any added sugars or syrups or water. It's just pure acai. Make sure you add frozen banana because this is what will give the acai bowl its good texture. And always use something liquid to blend it with. Check the ingredients because sometimes they add sugar without you knowing, and then your acai bowl is not healthy anymore. I always like to add some type of superfood to my acai bowl as well, like this prebiotic and vitamin C supplement, also from Amazonia. It just gives your acai bowl that extra health boost. I'm actually going to add another package. I'm going to make double the amount because I want to make a big acai bowl because I'm hungry. Ready to add some toppings, and you can just add whatever you like. This can be fruit, granola, seeds or nuts, whatever you want. Maybe I should add some peanut butter, because how good is the combination of peanut butter and banana? The best part about making food videos is that you can eat it afterwards. So if you want to try it yourself, check out the website of Amazonia to get the best acai. Enjoy!